Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk about the design process, a step-by-step method used in technology education to create new ideas and solutions. This process helps young people develop important skills such as problem solving and hands-on learning skills, which is preparing them for different careers. I will focus on two important stages, that will be investigate and make. I will explain these stages and how they help young people grow in skilled workers and contribute to South Africa's economy. Now we're going to go to the stage one, investigate. Because the investigate stage is the first step in the design process. This is where we identify a problem and look for solutions. It helps young people learn to think carefully and study issues and come up with smart ideas. For example, students may explore ways to make transportation more affordable for better ways to produce energy. By learning how to research and think critically, young people develop problem-solving skills, which are used in careers like businesses, engineering, and technology. Okay, so why is this important for the South Africans workforce? Well, young innovations create new businesses, job opportunities, and strong industries. If students learn how to investigate properly, they can design solutions that will help South Africa improve education, healthcare, and technology. Now we're going to the next process. It is the make process. After coming up with a good idea, the next step is to make. This is where the design is built using materials, tools, and right techniques. These steps is important because it teaches us practical skills such as working with machines, coding, and construction. For example, students learning robotics might design the devices to help people in everyday lives, while others in manufacturing might design products that can be sold locally and internationally. By creating things themselves, young people gain teamwork skills, technical knowledge, and confidence in their abilities. You might ask, how does this help our South African economy? So this stages prepare young people for careers in fields like engineering, manufacturing, technology. When youth are trained in making and building, they become skilled workers and business owners, which helps the industry grows and strengthens the youth and country's economy. Let's have a clear sum up. The investigate stage teaches research and problem solving skills, while the make stage helps develop practical and technical abilities. Both of these skills are very important because it helps young people find jobs, start businesses, and improve industries. By teaching students the design process, we prepare them to create solutions, solve real problems, and contribute to South Africa's economic growth. Investing in education and technology means shaping a future where young people lead the way in innovation and development.